Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? And welcome back to another video. And guys, it is time for the countdown of the end season live event. As you guys see, it is marked as called Collision. The fate of the 0 Point will be decided. Suit up for a thrilling one-time season finale on June 4th at 4 p.m. Eastern. Learn more at fn.gg/collision. So this event is all hands on deck. I ran some of it from the blog post from that website. And a party of 4. So this is mainly a squad event. So if you guys have any people that want to join on in, do so. It's gonna be fun. And there's also gonna be some free logins. Let me get back to here. Ignore the people there. But yes, as you guys can see, there is the countdown. So when you log in on the day of the event at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, you do get a free exclusive lobby track and a loading screen, which I'm guessing the loading screen will look like this one, the beginning of the video where you guys saw. Let me go into my... anyway. And there's also going to be apparently some mecha weapons team skins coming into the item shop. I'm guessing the day before the event. And battle pass unlocks. So, of course, I completely maxed out all of my battle pass. The Omni swords, the bonus rewards, and the Prowler. And also, next week, starting on the 31st, is going to be the bargain bin week. So this will be the perfect time to spend all of your gold. I am maxed out on gold. You see up to 5,000. So do that. Get all your quests done. And that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later in another video. Peace out.